In this video, I'm going to show how to make a movable point, which will be used in some of the other Desmos tutorials. To make a movable point, we're going to type in an ordered pair with parentheses, and we're going to choose two variables that we haven't already used in our graph. In this example, I'm going to use P and Q. And when we do that, we're going to get the option to add all sliders, and we're going to add a slider or two sliders. And now we can actually move our point. We actually don't need to actually move these sliders. And another useful tool, rather than having to look over here, is to click on the label option. So that way, if your graph is really zoomed in and for whatever reason you can't see these slider bars, then as you move your point, you can see your location of your point. You can also see that as you zoom in, it will give you more accurate, in this case, 3 decimal places for your ordered pair.